As a mechanical engineer, I love cars, the way it's manufactured, the mechanics around it. After I graduate, I want to open my own company, mainly about cars repairs, cars service, cars maintenance. AUC was my dream university from high school. I always dreamt of joining AUC and it really changed my life. I took several internships after I joined AUC. The most recent one was at ISA Steel Manufacturing. I get to know more about the steel industry and how it's manufactured from A to Z. I could reflect from this internship on my course that I took manufacturing here at AUC. Basically, the same thing that I learned from the internships, I took it in the course. Studying abroad at Barcelona was one of the best experiences I ever had at AUC. I took 2 courses, entrepreneurship and new venture creation, which opened my mindset for how entrepreneurs work. And I took another course, Barcelona City and Planning, which showed me the beauty of Barcelona architects. I can confidently say that Barcelona will be my second home بعد اسكندرية. I have taken leadership roles at AUC. It was a challenge for me to balance the studying workload, but the main thing was to manage my time. Being Harasui Vice President gave me the chance to have impact on others, mainly underprivileged children in Egypt, where we visit many orphanages, refugee centers, and teach them basic Arabic, basic English, teach them how to read and write. I led many projects from student union as being services chairperson. I led SU Market, SU Packs, SU Lounge, and SU Serve. SU Packs was a really challenging event, going to Ataba, talking with suppliers and bringing brands all together in the same event. Developed how my communication skills can work and how can I motivate my team to be dedicated and committed to their work. What drives me is leadership. Taking leadership positions and building a team that is motivated to make an impact on others, not only the AUC community but also people across Egypt.